Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fatmata, and today I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful mesh maxi skirt. This skirt is light, stylish and perfect for beach, vacation or layering over a short skirt. In this tutorial I'll be making a size small, but I'll explain how you can adjust the size. So grab your yarn and your hook and let's start crocheting. For the materials that I'll be using, I'll be using 100% milk cotton yarn, 4mm crochet hook, a tape measure, a scissors, and a stitch marker. Make sure to choose a soft yarn because this skirt will sit on your waist and your hip. For the measurements, I'll be making a size small, and for the size small, we are using this measurement. I'll be using a waist of 26 to 28 inches and a hip of 34 to 36 inches, and the length will be about 38 to 40 inches. If you want a bigger size, simply increase and start your chain. So let's get right into the tutorial. So to start off our work, we'll start by making the waistband, and we'll start by slip knot. To make a slip knot, and we'll make a chain of 110. That's approximately 26 to 28 inches. Sorry. With my 110 chains, and I'm going to measure it, and let's see. Sorry, let's put it straight like this. So we have about 26 to 27 inches, and this is perfect for the size that I'm going to be making it for, a size small. So what we are going to do, we are going to make a slip knot, and make sure your chain is not twisted. So you are going to lay it like this smoothly. Make sure your chain is not twisted. And you're going to make a slip knot on this very first chain that we did. Sorry, I'm going to come here with a slip knot like this, and then we are going to chain up 2 until this does not count as a stitch, and we are going to be placing a double crochet all around the stitches until the end. We are going to be making 1 double crochet in each stitch, and we should be having 110 chains at the end of its end. So continue making double crochet all around, and I'll meet you at the end. So I'm at the end of my row 1. I'm just going to place my last double crochet here, and I'm going to slip stitch on this very first chain from the first double crochet that we did, like this. Pull up a loop and slip stitch. So we are going to chain up 3, 1, 2, 3 to start our row 2, and this counts as our very first double crochet. So we are going to pull up a loop, and what we are going to do, we are going to be working a back loop and a front loop. Instead of working up here, we are not going to be working up here. We are going to just take our hook, and we are going to pass it like we will come to the back here and pass it in this space that you see, and we pass it also. So like we are trying to go with this to the back, to this double crochet to the back. So pass our hook in this space, and to this next space we'll be passing our hook like this, and we'll be yarning over, pull up a loop like this, and you can see we have 3 loops, and we are going to be double crocheting. So we are going to come here also, sorry, we are going to come here, we are going to do like this, pass it in the front to the back and into this other space, and we are going to pull up a loop, and we are going to make a double crochet. So we are going to, let me show you again, yarn over, come to the back, pass our yarn through the space and into the next space like this, pull up a loop, pass it through, and pull up a loop like this. So we are going to repeat this, go like this, go like this, and so I don't know if you can see the ribbon effects that I'm trying to create. So this is going to be our pattern for the waistband, and we will be working 3 more rows. So I'm trying to achieve this ribbon effect. So I'm going to show you one more time what I did. I'm going to chain up 1, and I'm going to pass my yarn into this space and pull it through here and pull up a loop like this and pull through, yarn over, come into this front, pass my yarn like this, pull through, yarn over, pass my yarn in here into the back and go like this, pull through, pass my yarn, come into here and pull it through like this. So this is basically the pattern. I don't know if you can see the effect I'm trying to create. This is basically the pattern for our waistband, and we are going to be repeating this for 3 more rows, and I'll meet you when I'm done with my 3 more rows. I'm making a total of 4 rows. We've already did one row, so we are going to be making 3 more rows. I'm done with my waistband, as you can see. So I'm going to measure it, and for the width, the wideness of it is 13 inches, and 13 times 2 is 26 inches. And if you are doing a size medium to large, I think you should be having like 15 to 16 inches of this, and the length of it is 1.5 inches. So now next part, what we are going to do, we are going to be working on the mesh part, and we are going to be working for a total of 39 inches to 40 inches, 39 to 40 inches. So next up, we are going to make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this counts as a double crochet and a chain 1 space. So we are going to skip this double crochet that we did, and into the next we are going to place 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip this, and into this place 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip this double crochet, and into the next place 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip this one, and into this place 1 double crochet. So we are going to be repeating this all around until the end. I'm almost at the end of my row 5. Sorry, yes, we did 4 rows here, so this is our row 5. Sorry. So I'm going to place 1 double crochet here, chain 1, and I'm going to slip stitch on the 3rd chain on this first double crochet that we did. So for row 6, like this, as you can see, we've already started our mesh pattern, and this is so easy and beginner friendly. For row 6, you're gonna chain up 1, 2, 3, 4. This counts as our very first double crochet and chain 1. So into this very first stitch, we are going to be placing 1 double crochet, chain 1, and we are going to skip this double crochet into the chain space. We are going to place 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip this double crochet into this chain space. We are going to be placing 1 double crochet. So for the pattern, we are going to be working in the chain 1 space. This is what we are going to be repeating all around, and I'll meet you at the end of my row 6. I'm almost at the end of my row 6. I'm just going to place 1 double crochet here, chain 1 and slip stitch. So this basically will be the pattern. We are just going to be placing 1 double crochet in the chain 1 space that we made. So you're going to keep repeating this mesh row until the skirt reaches your ankle length. And I'll recommend you try this skirt on while crocheting so you will get your perfect length. And I'm going to work mine off camera, and I'll meet you when I have my 39 inches, because I'm working towards 39 inches to 40 inches, and I'll meet you when I have my 39 to 40 inches long. I'm done with my mesh rows, and I did a total of 66 mesh rows. So to close it off, we are going to create an edging all around. So what we are going to do, we are going to be chaining up 3, 1, 2, 3. This counts as our very first double crochet, and into this space we are going to be creating 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 4 double crochet, and we have a total of 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mind you, this first stitch, this first 3 stitches count as our double crochet. So we have created 5 double crochet in this space. And next, what we are going to do, we are going to slip stitch, come into this next space with a slip stitch, and we are going to skip this next, and into this one we'll place 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into this next space we are going to go in with a slip stitch. Into this next we are going to skip, and in here we are going to place 5 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is basically the pattern that we are going to go all around like this. We are going to, so let me just show you one more time what we will do. You are going to skip this next space. You are going to come into this next space with a slip stitch like this, and you are going to skip this next space, and into this next space you place 5 double crochet. So you are going to go all around with this pattern, and I'll meet you at the end of our 67 row. I'm at the end of my row, and I'm just going to slip stitch here and fasten off on the 3rd stitch here, voila, like this, and chain up 1, cut off my yarn and pull my yarn through. So this is how your work should be looking like. So this is how your edgings should be looking like this, and this is how your skirt should be looking like. So this is optional. If you want the skirts to be adjustable, you can add a drawstring. You can chain up to 150 or 270 and thread it through the waistband. You can thread it through your waistband. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoy making this beautiful crochet mesh maxi skirts with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your crochet friends. See you in my next video. Bye.